Okay, real talk. How many of you have been here, waiting forever for your game to load, your editing software to stop lagging, or just staring at a progress bar like it's a loading screen simulator?
I'm sick of waiting.
Yeah, me too. But guess what? There are 2 upgrades you can do to help with those problems. What is up, good people? This is Jay, and in this video, we're diving into the Legend 860 PCIe Gen 4 M.2 SSD and the Lancer Blade RGB DDR5 RAM. These 2 are like the Batman and Robin of PC upgrades, speedy, stylish, and here to save your setup. And stick around because we're also testing them in some popular games to see how they perform. So let's get started. Before we get into the good stuff, let's break it down real quick. What even are an SSD and RAM, and why should you care? SSD or solid-state drive is where your games, files, and software live. A faster SSD means quicker load times, smoother file transfers, and less waiting around. While RAM or random access memory is your system's short-term memory. More RAM means better multitasking, faster rendering, and smoother gameplay. Together, they're like the dynamic duo of performance. The SSD gets your games and files loaded fast, and the RAM keeps everything running smoothly while you play or work. Got it? Alright, let's see these 2 in action. First up, the Legend 860 SSD. It's sleek, compact, and packing speeds of up to 6,000 MB per second read and 5,000 MB per second write. That's 3 times faster than a Gen 3 SSD and 10 times faster than a SATA drive. And aside from it being fully backward compatible with PCIe 3.0 platforms, it's also PS5 compatible. So you can finally stop deleting games to make room for new ones. And installation on your PS5 is quick and simple. Next is the Lancer Blade RGB DDR5 RAM. This isn't just any RAM. It's low profile, so it fits perfectly in small builds, and it's got RGB lighting for that extra flair. Plus, it's power efficient and supports both AMD Expo and Intel XMP for easy overclocking. Now, here's where the Lancer Blade RGB DDR5 RAM gets really awesome. It's got 2 secret weapons: PMIC and ECC. PMIC, or Power Management Integrated Circuit. Think of this as the RAM's personal power manager. It makes sure that the RAM gets just the right amount of power, which means better stability and efficiency. No crashes, no hiccups, just smooth performance. ECC, or Error Correcting Code. This is like a spell checker for your RAM. It catches and fixes tiny errors in real time, so your system stays reliable even during long gaming sessions or heavy workloads. Basically, this RAM isn't just fast, it's smart, stable, and built to last. And now for the fun part. Let's see how these upgrades handle some real-world gaming. We're testing 3 popular games: Valorant, Cyberpunk, and Indiana Jones and the Great Circle. First up, Valorant. With the Legend 860 SSD, the game loads in seconds, and the Lancer Blade RAM keeps the frame rate smooth even during intense firefights. No stutters, no lag, just pure action. Next is Cyberpunk. Open world games are notorious for long load times, but not with the Legend 860, and thanks to the Lancer Blade RAM, exploring this massive world feels buttery smooth. Finally, Indiana Jones and the Great Circle. This game pushes systems to their limits, but with these upgrades, it's running like a dream. Faster load times, stable frame rates, and no crashes. So what more could you ask for? And for your peace of mind, ADATA and XPG are offering a 5-year warranty for the Legend 860 and a lifetime warranty for the Lancer Blade. So what do you think? The Legend 860 SSD and Lancer Blade RGB DDR5 RAM are the ultimate upgrades for gamers and creators alike. Whether you're expanding your PS5 storage, building a budget-friendly PC, or just want a smoother experience, these 2 got you covered. And that is it for us in this video. Now, if you want to stay updated with their latest products and offers, be sure to check out XPG and AData on their socials. And of course, if you want to see more of my tech videos, don't forget to drop a follow or subscribe to my socials. Again, my name is Jay, telling you to keep that smile, stay positive, rock on, and rock hard.